Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll show you how to get a perfect brows to be a beginner friendly. So instead of using the deep brow pomade, I'll be using pencil because I think pencil is easier for beginners, and this is what I started with. So these are the tools that will be used in this tutorial. You need two concealers. You can use your foundation if you want to, but I prefer using concealers. A lighter and a darker concealer. These are concealers from Eyebrow, and you need a pencil. This is a MacBook pencil. MacBook. I always end up saying MacBook. I don't know why. Anyway, this is a brown MacBook brow pencil. You need a spoolie and an angled brush. Some use a flat brush, but I prefer angled brush for the contour. So to start, the first thing we'll do is to brush up the hair. Brush it into a slanted position. If you have stubborn hairs, that's the ones that stand and go in different directions, you can use a brow gel to slip it down, but I don't. So all I have to do is just to brush up the hairs first into the right direction. And then I take my pencil. You need it to be well sharpened, like you need it sharp. So I'll sharpen this. Something like this is good enough. So I have a bigger mirror in front of me, but then I would need this as well because we're talking of the brows and you need to be this close to what you're doing. So I prefer starting from the tail of my brows. I don't know why, but I just think it's gradually I'll come to the front, and that's shaping my brows well. So I'm using very, very, very light strokes. And I'm trying to fill in the blank spots first before going in with the hair. Like with what you've seen now, you've seen that the shape of my brow has already changed. I didn't touch where I have hair. I'm only applying the pencil where I want building. I don't know if I'm making sense, but I hope you can see what I'm doing, and it's self-explanatory. So I'm just trying to fill in the blank spots. With this, it already looks like I have a perfect brow, and this is why I like starting from the tail, because it has already given it the shape I want. All I need to do is to just keep filling it in. And I'm following the natural hairline. So if you feel like you have applied too much in front of your brows, it's no problem. You can always come back with a spoolie and brush it. This way you're taking away some of the products you put here. I'm just making it very light, lighter than the tail of the brows. And you're also, with the spoolie, you're spreading it evenly around and then bringing it a little to the front here. So the tail shouldn't be as no. The front of your brow shouldn't be as dark as the tail. You want the front look very natural. So now this is the shape I want. I just want to darken the tail a little bit more. So this is it, and I'll just repeat the same thing I did here to this brow. By the way, I should warn you, my brows are so different. If you notice, my main focus is the tail and the bald spots. And then go back in with this pulley to see progress. So I still have a little bald spot here. So next I'm using this pulley to reduce the pencil in front and make it lighter. Now I'm going in with my concealer and the angle brush. I'm taking a lighter shade first. You want the upper part to blend in with your skin, and the lower parts should look a little lighter because you apply eyeshadow over it, and then it just beautifies your brow bone. I usually start from the curve. And then you want to bring down the concealer. Blend it down. So I forgot to mention that you need a blending brush, but you can use your finger if you want to. I just prefer using a blending brush. And then for the upper part of my brows, the darker concealer comes in. Make sure you don't have too much product on the brush. Bring it down to connect. And then you blend it into your skin. So I'll repeat this to the other eye. And bring it to the center of my brow, so it doesn't look like I have unibrows. Just trying to feather out the front of my brows. So I applied it with this finger, but I'm blending it with this finger that has nothing. So this is the final look. I already have my face done. This is what the brow is looking like. I hope you like it, and I hope you found it helpful and easy, at least.